Did you know a Chinese philosopher once had a dream that changed how we think about reality forever? Zhuangzi fell asleep and dreamed he was a butterfly. He fluttered freely through gardens without any human worries or fears. But when he woke up, something strange happened. He couldn't tell if he was Zhuangzi who dreamed of being a butterfly, or if he was actually a butterfly now dreaming of being human. This wasn't just a weird dream. It became the foundation of ancient wisdom that still guides millions today. Zhuangzi taught that our fixed ideas about who we are cause most of our suffering. Think about it. You stress about your identity, your role, your image. But what if those are just illusions? His butterfly story shows us that everything flows and changes constantly, including you. Trying to hold on to a permanent sense of self is like trying to catch water with your bare hands. The deeper truth? What you think is your real self might just be one dream among endless possibilities. Stop grasping so tightly to who you think you are. Flow with change instead of fighting it.